Okay, since I got that done, I got the larger chain on track. Large chain is on track with the large sprocket, and the smaller chain is about to go on first. Just cut me some new chain. It's the old chain, new chain. It's the final chain that I have to replace. So we're gonna get this installed now. All right, I'm back. I have to make a run, but chains are done. Everything is done. All new chains. So I have to tighten up those eye bolts down there. Put tension on that chain, and I should be all good.
Ram's looking good, guys. There's a fuel pump. There's the old one.
Okay, look at the rims. They look so good. They look so good. New fuel pump installed. Old fuel pump. Still works, but replacing it. Since I'm there. The next thing we're gonna do is maybe install not the carb. We'll do the carb last. The insert. We got the chains all done. So someone put this here. This is a new belt. In the event this one breaks, there's a new belt just sitting here waiting. Has some age to it, but you can continue to have fun. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm about to put right here. Got this hood scoop. I'm not really getting much air in there, and to avoid the engine from overheating, I'm gonna put this nice little hood scoop on there. Goes right there. To get some air in on this motor and that exhaust. So we're gonna keep this engine cool as possible. This is the original, where the original headlight was there. I was thinking about cutting that out, putting a wire mesh there to get more air in the engine. We'll see. But this is, we about to install this now. Also, by me want to run LED lights, guys. This engine had a voltage regulator on it. I need a regulator rectifier so I can run LED lights, because this is not going to work with the LED lights I want to run. So I'm thinking about changing it over. You know what I am? I'm going to order one and get it here in a couple days and just swap it out, since I got everything out the way. All the chains are done, tightened. I'm about to install the insert back. I'm going to do something with this wiring. All this extra harness, I don't need it. And we should be good to go. we can actually put the wheels back on. So let's get at least the front and the middle wheel back on both sides. So before, the wheels was facing the opposite way, which looks to be correct, but I've seen quite a few of them with the tires facing this way towards the front. I guess this helps better when it's on water, so we're gonna face it this way and see what's up. Okay guys, I'm trying to get it together. Just finished wiring up this rectifier. Still got the voltage regulator down there, just in case I want to use it. But using this rectifier, so I can run some LED lights. Didn't have to use it. Everything is back connected. I want to show you guys how I extended the sides of this insert to cover the back chains and sprockets, and I put this back on there so it won't nothing. If I did have something in here, maybe a first aid kit or anything, it won't go back and get jammed up in the axle when it's rotating. So it's kind of the final design of it now. I'm covering it up completely now. Like I said, I can store stuff in here. But pretty much almost done. I'll be installing the battery in a second. Then I'll kind of do something better with these wires. Put a harness here. And fire it up for the first time. Wheels looking real good. Really good. Paint, body looking good. Paint. I'll put that new screw in there. I gotta put some paint over that. Wheels looking good. Body looking good. I got an LED bulb in here now. So we're just about there. Let me show you guys what I'm doing now. I got the emergency paddle, guys. It's emergency oar, it expands. I'll show you guys how I extend in a second. We got battery connections. I'm just testing stuff, so it'll be cleaned up really nice. As you guys see, I'm sawing holes. And I'll show you guys what I'm about to install right here. Something I needed for this engine. I'll show you guys right now what I'm installing there. Something kind of cool and unique. Just adding a little modern technology to this vintage vehicle.